Welcome back to BroTuned, guys. Got a little test here today. We're doing the Midas Plus in my CZ457 LRP. So, first off, 50 yards. Put the camera down there. 10 foulers. Season the barrel in. So let's get the shooting now. First shot's going to be for the top middle sticky. This way we're going to see where our impacts are, what our velocities are. Should probably get these on. Not bad group for the first 5 out this barrel. Now, my second group, I'm just gonna move it right. Let's see how much we're gonna go here. So I guess we'll go 1 mil right. Off that same hold, dead center. There's group 2, not too bad. It's around a ½ an inch still, but now this is the one we're going to try our hardest for. We got 10 foulers. Let's get this into one hole. So now I'm going to go back to our 0, which is always high because I don't like to screw up my point of aim on my target. So I always move it up a bit, usually anyways. And then from there I can go left to right and print other groups. But now we're going for the one on the left. Here we go. Alright, well, not the greatest at 50, but hasn't been the worst either. Okay, so we're at 100 yards now. We're going to do 2 5-shot groups just to close up this test. It's a little bit windier out there. The farther you go out in the field, the more the wind picks up. It's kind of quartering from behind me right across left and front. I'm going to probably assume we're going to have some impacts off to the left at first. First 5-shot group. Gonna go up 1.6 and see where impacts are from there and change them up if we need to. So I'm just gonna hold dead on that big 2-inch sticky down there. And make sure everything's correct. Right, here we go. Wasn't too bad for left. Okay. Looks respectable. I can't really tell. I'm only on, well, actually I'm on almost max power here. Yeah. Okay. So I'll move my impacts right. 1 mil should be alright. That's gonna be too far. I'll go 1/2 mil. Pull 1/2 mil on windage. And our elevation looks pretty good. I'll maybe come down 0.1. So we should be off to the right side of the target now.